Hello everyone! Welcome back to another edition of Lisa Takes Stuff Out of Boxes featuring
Dawn. 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 Dawn.
We can waste this time today because we have about 5 packages.
We do.
I mean, it's considering last week.
I know what's going to happen though.
What?
There's going to be a few knocks at the door tomorrow.
Honestly, we think there's going to be like 10 packages coming tomorrow.
Yeah.
I've got some new lights and they are so good, I think. Like, they're making my skin look amazing.
Your skin's good anyway.
It's pretty good at the moment, but these lights make everything better. Right, should we get stuck in, love?
Number 1.
Numero one. This is Emollient. Emollient? I think that's how you say it.
Oh no, and I've got a remote control that I can...
Oh, you've got a remote control, you can change the light colours. Oh, for God's sake. So, this is, we hope you like Emollient. And let's have a look. So this brand, I've never used. But this is what the packaging looks like. And let's have a look at what this is. It looks like a lip... Oh, is it a nail varnish? Oh, so that's a nail varnish. Nice. Talking of nails, I mean, just so happy that beauty is back and I've been able to have my nails done. Semi-matte lipstick. Let's have a look. That's a semi-matte. What do you think that means, Dawn?
Semi, so in between matte and...
Oh, you went a semi. Oh God! Right, okay. Let's have a look.
Funny.
Oh my God! Look at the packaging.
Now I've seen it. It's so beautiful, isn't it?
Whoa! Glittery joy. So, how do we do this? Oh, oh, that was good. Look, watch. Oh, oh. Okay, so this. So that's a big aeroplane going past. Is the colour, and it is shade. I thought it said Lisa, but it's called Lyra. Nice. Feels really nice.
Does it feel semi?
If I had to describe it, I would say, oh, isn't that semi?
Semi-glossy, semi-matte.
What's that colour like?
Nice.
Nice. Oh my God, that packaging is so good. Is there other stuff in here? No.
Yeah, there's a lip... You've done a lipstick, there's a lip liner.
Oh yeah, there's a lip liner. So we've got a lip liner too. Let's have a quick look. For once, guys, I can actually take my time on the products because we haven't got that much, but actually I can't because
You've not got a lot.
we haven't got that many minutes on the memory card. So these are matching lip liners basically to go with the lipstick. It's lovely gold packaging here.
I love that sound. That is a good sound.
Should we try it again? I don't think it'll happen again.
It might do.
Not quite as
Not
good. But these are really nice. Okay, lovely. Emollient.
And they're quite well priced as well.
Are they? Tell me the price points,
Nail
Dawn.
varnishes are £11.
£11, right?
Lipsticks are £21 and lip liners are £13.
Okay.
That's not bad.
Premium prices, but still not bad. Next up, we have got something from Kate Somerville. So this is from Kate's new Resurfacing Overnight Kate Suticals range. Use your Kate coin in clothes to resurface and reveal. Have we got a coin?
It is in there.
Oh, so we've got a little bag. Whoa, I love things like this. So it says Kate Somerville on it. It looks like a one you get for a trolley. Oh, this is so cool. It's like a scratch card.
Oh.
That's so cool.
If I
Oh,
had known that, I'd have done it.
oh, would you? Do you want to hurry on? Do you know what though? I've never seen that from a beauty
No,
brand. That's so
really cool,
isn't it? So this is the new glycolic peel, and basically it's clinic inspired super peel for smooth, glassy looking skin overnight. Expertly formulated with gold standard skin renewing ingredients, retinol glycolic acid and niacinamide. You'll see increased luminosity, improved skin texture and reduced fine lines. Hello! Available at Kate Somerville, Cop Beauty, Look Fantastic, Space and Kate and John Lewis. Who is John Lewis?
Well, he's this man.
Do you know who it is really, Dawn? You're making this up. One day he bought a shop and he called it, oh, John Lewis, that's my
I
name.
think that's how it started though.
I wonder how it did.
And it was, I bet it was a little tiny shop.
Can someone write in the comments if you know? But you know there's a guy called John Lewis on Twitter who is not the John Lewis and Partners shop, it's John Lewis, a guy. And every time someone like goes, oh God, something's broken at
How
John
old is he?
Lewis, like 50 or something, And he like retweets it. Whenever everyone's like, oh, I'm so excited for the John Lewis Christmas advert, and they text him and he's like, thank you so much. Or just like, he has really good comments.
I know somebody, well, I used to know somebody, and her name was Emma, and her surname is Dale. So it's
Emma Dale.
I mean, why would you name a child Emma if your surname's Dale?
Do you know?
This is exciting.
Do you know that I had a guy at my school called Jacob Jacobs?
Jacob Jacobs.
Right? So our friends Kai and Dan are about to have a baby, and their last name's White, and they were like, well, there's so many things we can't call her. We can't call her Diamond. Diamond White.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's just so many things that you can't.
Paper.
Paper White. That does not work. That, no. You. Rice, baby. Right, hold on. So this says, P.S. I'm made of rice. So what is it? Food? Ooh, a little rice cracker.
A little broken in the travel.
Introducing the first makeup brush made entirely from rice. What the hell? From Cole Creatives. Hold on a minute. What? This whole brush is made from rice. Shut up. What?
And super glue. There must be some sort of super glue to glue the rice together to sand it down. Just saying.
To sand it down?
Well, you must have to like stick it all together.
Hold on. So far, Cole Creators have brought you many firsts. True inclusivity, flexible brushes for people with motor disabilities, wow. And the first collection designed with the visually impaired in mind.
Amazing.
Oh my God, I need to get some of them for my sister.
Yep, 100%.
April 12 will bring in the beauty industry another further with a makeup brush made from rice. Let's talk about taking sustainability to another level. What? We only use old and disposed of waste to produce our brushes, says founder Trisha Deswani. The upcycling brush process is really key in our production process, as well as looking after the people who help us create them. The Me brush eliminates plastic altogether. Here's how it works. When rice is produced, the husk is removed. This husk would usually go to waste. At this stage, the husk is collected. It's then combined with a plant starch, producing a new compound made up of 80% husk and 20% plant starch. This creates a clay-like material which can then be injected, moulded into the shape of the Me fan brush. It's also 100% eco-friendly, BPA-free and biodegradable, as it can be returned to the soil as fertiliser.
That's amazing.
That is unbelievable. $8.99.
Yep. Not a bad price, really.
For something made of rice, that's amazing. What? This is amazing. Hello, my little rice brush.
And if you're hungry, you can nibble the end.
That is so incredible, and it feels like it's going to be a really nice brush as well, so try that. Cole Creatives.
That is very cool.
Wow, I need to try some of their other brushes. Iconic, one of my favourites. Iconic, what is this? It's a bronzer version of their sheer blush. So you know I love their sheer blush. Powder Pink is, Now they have got a bronzer version, and it's following the success of our sheer blush, here comes sheer bronze. Their first ever liquid bronzer for the ultimate sun-kissed skin. You just basically blend it in. It's an instant pick-me-up. It's a watercolour bronze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades, £18 each. Let's try one. Should I just try Caramel Glow? What do you think?
Sounds nice.
Sounds lovely, doesn't it? I love this packaging as well. It's so nice. I was just like, and hopefully I can get something that I can try my rice brush with. Oh, what's your brush made of? Rice. What are you having for dinner? Risotto. I don't know. I don't even know why I said that. Right, okay. Oh, look at that. That is so... Oh my God, that just sinks in. That has made my hand, smells so good, look like it's just glowing, warmer. Right, Iconic. Can't wait to try these. They are lovely. I'm really thirsty. Can I get my drink? Where have I put it?
Up there.
Well, it's going to get my drink. Oh no, Dawnie's going to get it for me. Basically, I'm a bit hungover, guys. It has been a week.
Surprise, surprise.
It's been a week of going to the pub for the first time before, so I'm drinking. Right, sing this song. Go on, see if you remember the song. Come on, what's the brand?
Wait, I know the lemonade.
Our White's lemonade. She's a secret lemonade drinker. Our White's. Do you not remember that?
No. No, no.
Do you not?
No, I don't.
Come on, guys, you remember that. I think they go into the fridge and it's like, our White's lemonade. She's a secret lemonade drinker. Our White's. What?
No, I don't. I'm gonna Google it.
KIEHL'S. Oh, we love KIEHL'S as well. What a great brand. 1851 they've been going since. Oh, it's to celebrate 170 years. Oh, look, because of this new thing, I can just pull this camera down a bit. That's good. Right, okay. So, ooh, let's see. We have got celebrates turning 170 with 2 exclusive collections. Time travel with our Heritage collection. For a one-off exclusive, we're opening the archives to release historic formula favourites from the 1920s, 60s and 90s. This is really good, this light, how I can like pull my camera like this. So we've got 1920s. The fortune-seeking, jinx-removing essence oils, inspired by the fortune-drawing tinctures and the roaring 20s. These limited edition essence oils are available in 3 enticing new aromas. Whoa! Okay, so can we use these in our little diffuser thing, do you think? That's so cool that they've bought stuff back from the eras. Oh, that smells really nice. You shouldn't really put pure essential oil on your skin, you know.
It's too harsh.
But yeah, what time is it, by the way? I've got physio, I keep forgetting.
2.
Oh, fine, half an hour.
2:11.
That is really nice. You've got 3 of them. From the 60s, you've got the Heritage Rosewater Toner, which is inspired by KIEHL'S collection of rosewater toners from the 60s. The newly refreshed skin softening formula is infused with imported rosewater and sustainably sourced whole Turkish rose petals. So that will be absolutely good. I love this packaging as well. It's so hard to get into. It's so lovely, isn't it? Oh my God. That is amazing. It's got actual rose petals in it. That is so beautiful. And then from the 90s, Heritage Glycerin soaps. We got those? Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, they're nice. So this is basically a fresh herbal scented, ideal for use on body and hands, and unscented, which is suitable for every day. Can I just say, I was smelling that and I was like, actually I can't really smell anything, but it's because it's the unscented one. So, yeah. And then we've also got a disposable camera. Shall I take a picture of Dawn? She's like, that is such a lovely, lovely thing, isn't it? Oh, and this is
do you know what? I miss them days when you go on holiday and you've got a disposable camera. You've just got a camera and you've got it on a night out and then you pay your $7.99, whatever it was to get it developed, and all the pictures were
shit.
It's like a picture of a hand or a...
But maybe there's like 2 good ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, or it's like blurry. They've also got their Calendula toner, which is in here, and also their ultra facial cream. So it's available from the 28th of April. So that is their 170th anniversary. What a gorgeous gift. And that's rosewater. Oh, lovely. Well done, KIEHL'S. Then we've got, we've only got 3 minutes left.
Always
What's the last one? It Cosmetics.
2 more.
Oh, so this is a QVC exclusive. £35. So you get a duo. Your makeup must-haves. We've got a palette, which is called Je ne sais quoi palette. And then we have a Flush Hydrating Gloss Stain as well. So 35 quid for 2. That's good. It's a really good brand. They always do lots of good deals on QVC as well. And this is it. Let's have a look. Push to open. Oh, push.
And there's a bit of...
Oh, there's a seal on it. I'll let you do that then while I do this bit. This is the lip flush stain. It does, doesn't it? But I think you're right. What's this then? A lip... Look, it's this colour. Hydrating lip gloss. Soft stain. It's very...
It's not really pushed to open, is it? It's flipped to open.
Oh my God, hold on. Oh, no. Does it change colour? I think it changes colour as you put it on. But I have got a lipstick on, so I'm not really sure.
It looks nice though. It looks nice over that lipstick.
Does it? Yeah. Nice. Oh, and here's the palette. So it's blusher, bronzer, and then highlighter by the looks. It's a 30 quid for the 2 of them. That is good. And then last, guys, seriously, this is it, right?
Just this one as well.
We've got this by Aroma Active, who I love. I think this is actually just a top up of their Sleep Salt Soak. I really love this stuff. It's so gorgeous. It's a beautiful brand, this is. And they've also sent their Overnight Face Balm, which I also really love. It's so hydrating. And it's a deeply hydrating overnight barrier repair treatment to help smooth, calm and regenerate skin. So if you're feeling a bit hungover, this is what you need. I need to chuck this all over my face. And then the lip oil, and they've also got, which I've already got out, SOS Forehead Balm. Trust me, this helps with headaches.
Look, does it?
Yeah, I've put it on today. Dawn, you should get this too, because they don't have to, like, if we ever get headaches, we don't have to take loads of tablets.
And then you just put it on your...
It just cools and uplifts. And then lastly, we have got something from Aveda, and it is their, a nurturing shampoo bar. So they have basically bought out a limited edition shampoo bar for £5. Oh no, $5 from each purchase will go direct to...
I think it's 18.
Oh really? No, it says $5, I think.
No, it was in the... It cost...
Oh, it was £18.
£14 it cost.
So it's £14, and it will go directly to Clean Water on Earth Day. I think that's what it says. But that's lovely. So a shampoo, I've never used a shampoo bar, have you?
No, never have I.
Oh, well, if you're going to use one.
I'm not sure whether I'd like it or not.
It smells good though. Give it a go. That's it, guys. We've done it in like 16 minutes, and it's about to run out.
It smells like the hairdressers.
It does smell like the hairdressers, actually. It smells good.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Oh my god, that was so quick. Last week's was like an hour.
It was long.
Wait till we get that delivery in the morning. I'll have to add on more, won't I? See you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Ta-da, ta-da, bye. Bye.